This is day 169, and today we are looking at streamlining Excel in order to benefit the most from automatic analysis or from ideas that they give you when you try to analyze your data using the artificial intelligence that is embedded in Excel. So over the past 2 days, we are looking at how to insert the visualizations and how to pick the visualizations, and also at how you can ask questions. One thing that I noted is when you do that with a lot of fields within your data, sometimes Excel get a bit confused and might not give you the best results that you want to see or the best answers that you want to see. So in order to try and limit the errors and also help Excel in order to direct it, the path you want to analyze or the information that you want to analyze so that the visualization that you are given are relevant to what you are looking for, you can sort of indicate which fields interest you more than the other. I completely understand if you are one of those people who like to see all the fields in order to know which one to use and try to analyze everything and put it in visualizations and then pick from there. But some of you might already know which fields they want to look at. So for those people, it is imperative that when you are starting the analysis, you go and pick the field that you want to analyze. But if you don't understand which field you want to analyze, not a problem at all. You can first do an analysis with all the fields. And once you get like a test or a glimpse of which field is doing what, then you can start filtering and removing some of the fields that you really don't want to look at. So in order to do that, when you are in analyze, so if you go and select analyze here, you can see it analyzes all the data and it tries to change dimensions, to change month by products, sales by products, and frequency of sales, and so on and so on. But if you go and select which of these fields interests you the most, so you might actually say, I'm much more interested in product and sales. I don't really care which month the sales happen, as long as it's a sale on a product. That's what I'm interested in. Then you say update. The moment you do that, you can see that the month have been removed in the analysis. Then you can only see 2 visualizations. So that makes it much more easier and much more quicker for you to make a decision which visualization to pick. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.